Let's bring things back home then, why don't we? Lourentia Lombaard, the state's star witness in the Joshlin Smith trial, faced intense scrutiny. This is over inconsistencies in her evidence and statement taken by police last year, causing the court to adjourn twice. Now, Lombaard, who spent 5 days on the witness stand, became the center of attention as the defense and judge pressed her for answers on several inconsistent statements. Nasiphi tells us more.
Key state witness Lourentia Lombaard's testimony in the Joshlin Smith trial placed Kelly Smith, the mother of the missing girl, at the heart of the alleged plan into her disappearance. Lombaard claimed that Smith, along with her boyfriend Jacqueline Butta Apollos and Stefano van Rijn, were complicit in the events leading to the child's disappearance from her Middelpos home last February.
So my question to you is, if I read that paragraph, the first sentence of paragraph 13, where you refer to my kinders was saam met my die keer.
Where you say that my children were with me this time around?
That implicates, that means that you're saying when you were there the morning before lunchtime now, your children weren't with you.
Ek het verkeerd gepraat met die sin.
I took my children with, it's just that I said it wrong.
Judge Nathan Erasmus cautioned Lombaard once again on her answers during cross-examination.
I don't want to upset you or
ontsteld maken,
get your guard up unnecessarily. I take it it's the first time that you testify in a court. I'll accept that. But what will happen at the end of the case is that the defense will argue that you didn't answer the questions and you were going on long tangents because it's one of the factors that you might have to consider determining your credibility. So do yourself a favor, listen to the question. If you don't understand the question, ask for it to be clarified.
At the center of the cross-examination were allegations that Apollos and Van Rijn were at Kelly's house the day before Joshlin's disappearance, a critical detail in the case. However, Lombaard's testimony was met with mounting doubts as her responses became increasingly inconsistent on whether she was with her two children on both occasions.
Are you saying that it was your mistake this morning by saying that the kids were with you?
That's correct, my lord.
That's correct, my lord.
Does that mean that the children were not with you in the morning?
That's correct, my lord.
That's correct, my lord.
But that was then not the first time that you made that mistake. In fact, it was not only on those two occasions that you told us that. So you told us on Friday afternoon that you went around to Kelly, you took the children with you. Can you remember that?
That's correct, my lord.
And we spent the last almost 3/4 of an hour on the same point. And now suddenly you're telling me, but you made a mistake. But you've made the mistake at least 4 times.
No,
and it took 45, almost, it's 44 minutes to get the concession out. Do you have any explanation for this?
My lord, I don't know how to explain this, but I'm sorry, my lord, and for that. My lord, I see the witness is shaking and she's being emotional, my lord.
Okay.
Lombaard was assisted off the stand, with the court adjourning for the day, and a new witness could take the stand.
If the witness is in a condition that she can proceed, we will proceed with the 204 witness. I've asked the prosecution in chambers to have a contingency plan in the event that we can't proceed with this witness.
The trial will resume on Thursday. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Nasiphi in Saldanha Bay.